So Mark's mini truck actually has an airbag, and we're taking it off because that's safety first. Just make sure your wheel's straight. That's all we need.
Also, when my wheels are straight, my steering wheel is like just like that.
Right.
So
we'll just remember that and see what happens.
It doesn't pull at all.
You might be able to. We'll see when we
I think the
it off.
wheel might just be crooked or something.
Yeah, your wheels are dead straight.
Yeah. So.
So he's disconnecting the positive and negative. We'll take these off, and before we start messing with the airbag, make sure the battery's disconnected. You have to pull. So it looks like we have to move this to get to your battery. Probably.
Looks like it just.
Oh, in the back, it's just shaped like a triangle, so it just lifts up. You'll just feel like you're breaking something. Yep. And then you'll need what? A 10. Let me go get a 10. So if I remember right, so I have these three off. So this should.
You're gonna get the. Just separates, right?
Yeah, but sometimes there's like a metal link, like a C-clip that's in between, so we might have to take this off to get to it.
I think the video I watched, I don't even know if they took that
Mine
off.
has, like, they meet in the middle, and mine has like a big C-clip. But let me
I think they started by just taking off this back of the here.
That's not fun. Which one?
This,
I got these three.
This star right here on the other side of the steering.
Yeah, I gotta get a longer. This doesn't fit, of course. Airbag's out, so we shouldn't die anymore. I think that's a 14.
There we go.
It's not as violent as like a 1/2 inch. And then I'll let you do the pounding on your own car. Sometimes you just have to break it loose. There you go. So now you get into the weird stuff where typically, like, that's for your airbag.
Yeah.
Because if you take your airbag out, your SRS light will come on. The Prelude, I ripped all this stuff out.
I already took the bulb out, so it doesn't matter.
Okay. You can almost drive your car like that. And then sometimes, see how there's like an indent here at the top?
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to turn it so that heavy lip hits this, so it actually comes off. But everything's easier with a wheel and leverage.
Bruce went to the.
Dude, that, I think it fits the aesthetic of your truck perfect. The colors are perfect, in my opinion. The Japanese people, I assume.
And then this goes. Like that.
Is
I
it
think
sad
this
that this is always my favorite part of import cars?
What?
The VIN plate being Japanese.
Yeah. This just goes in here. I'll have to put a new one in. So I'm just.
Think you can pull the front? Is the middle parts out?
Yeah.
No.
I have a bunch.
Yeah, I was
This
gonna
is
say, I
just-
think you can get them at AutoZone and stuff. Or Amazon.
It's just when I pulled it out, it got.
Yeah. So this is a HA6, mine's a HA4. It's just got, you got the Vamos looking front end.
Yeah. There we go. See my windshield?
Yeah, I didn't even, when you post. This is Mark's truck. Do you know what the livery on your door is actually called?
It's called Solo Jazz.
Solo Jazz. Wasn't it like the Fuck Jerry logo?
No, it's like it was on Solo cups.
Oh, that's right. That's
like,
right.
At, like the food court.
But the Instagram account Fuck Jerry used it for a while,
really?
I think. Yeah. So let's all the matching. You went to the same seat guy I did, right?
Yeah.
You did the roof, the headliner.
Yeah.
Did you do the doors?
Yeah.
I'm not mad.
Where's the third one go? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Where are these black ones?
Follow him on Instagram. The black. Oh, ooh. Oh, they might have been in there. You're using the ones that were holding the SRS thing in. Same difference. You can take one out and try. Does that have a finer thread on it? The ones on the ground?
Well, these are.
But there's only 2 of those, right?
I don't know. I don't know where. There's only one of this.
Yeah, try that one then. Try the black one. I know what, like, they all came out.
There's
Obviously.
2 of them, but I don't know where the other one would have came from.
So I think one was weird and then the rest looked like that. But it's just holding that plastic up.
No, that one doesn't go in. I think it is the pointy one.
Alright. Then maybe the 2 back ones were the black threads?
I have no idea.
As long as it holds it in. Red lined, purple caps, purple mud flaps. That matches. Clear lenses. Did you redo your stickers?
Yeah, when they took the old ones off when they repainted it and put those in. Yeah, I don't know where the black ones came.
There, I swear they were on the bottom, but as long as the screws are holding it, it should be good.
All right, thanks for your help, man.
Yeah. That's easy, man. I'm gonna follow you out like a weirdo, like I said.
Man, I'm not. All right, see ya.
See ya. Tell the wife I said hi.